So we have to distribute to the terms in the bracket so that we eliminate the bracket. So we are going to have 4 times x, 4x, 4 times minus 3 will give us minus 12, minus 2 times 3x will give us minus 6x, minus 2 times plus 5 will give us minus 10, plus 9 equal to minus 3 times x will give us minus 3x, and minus 3 times minus 1 will give us plus 3 plus 4x. Now we collect like terms, move all the x to the left and all the numbers to the right. Now we're going to have 4x minus 6x. Now minus 3x coming to the left will become plus 3x. 4x coming to the left will become minus 4x equal to 3. Minus 12 coming to the left to the right becomes plus 12. Minus 10 coming to the right becomes plus 10. And plus 9 coming to the right becomes minus 9. Now 4x minus 6 plus 3 minus 4 is minus 3x equal to 3 plus 12 plus 10 minus 9 equal to 16. So we divide both sides by minus 3, and our x will be equal to 16 divided by minus 3, which will give us minus 5.33 approximately.